Naomi, almost perfect timing.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us.
No problem at all. Um, so I haven't got a presentation or anything I wanted to share, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about some of the things that we're doing down in Cornwall relating to cybersecurity. So my name's Naomi Johns-Dyer. I'm the Deputy Team Lead for Digital down at Truro and Penwith College in lovely Cornwall. And we're doing some really, really exciting things that I just wanted to share with you. So first thing is that we've recently been awarded Cyber First Silver. So we're the second sort of educational facility in Cornwall that has been awarded the Cyberfest Award, which is super exciting. And we definitely have got an agenda for doing more outreach and engagement with, our feeder schools and things like that in terms of cyber, as well as engaging more with our local industry. So we've managed to build a really, really nice network of companies that kind of support us with everything that we do at the college. So we've got a whole range of different courses that we offer, right from sort of level 2, basic level IT, right up to BSc level. And we do have a cybersecurity degree, which is really, really successful. And, we get students graduating from that and going off and working in the tech sector, which is fabulous. But what we want to do is continue to improve that and engage where we can with even more industry, especially where it comes to making sure that our curriculum is meeting industry skills gaps and really preparing our graduates to go and work in the industry. So if anybody has any feedback on the key skills that they would like to see graduates coming out with, please let me know, because we're really, really willing to adapt our courses and update our curriculum and reapprove where needed, so that we can make sure that we're best preparing our graduates. And industry are the experts on it, so we're absolutely happy. We're always happy to take direction on that. We're partnering up a little bit with Gloucestershire College via the NCSC and GCHQ. So it would be, if anybody's got any way that they could work on, I don't know what, we've got quite a range of people in here, haven't we? Mainly sort of industry. Yeah. So again, we're just trying to do as much outreach and engagement and making sure that we're delivering the curriculums that are going to produce graduates that can go on and work in the industry. That's the key thing for us. Really excitingly, in September, we've got an outreach event that we're running down here, first one of its kind, which is kind of off the back of the Cyber First, and it's with GCHQ and NCSC, where we're going to invite, we've got lots of feeder schools and some other schools in the area as well, and we're going to invite them in for a full day where we can talk to them about cyber careers. They're going to do workshops with industry and really get to experience cybersecurity as a career and educational progression route, which at the moment doesn't exist. So we do a lot of outreach and engagement just in Cornwall generally on software development as a career path. There really isn't a lot in terms of cyber, so we're trying to change that down here and put on those events to encourage those choosing their options at GCSE and then coming onto college programs, letting them know that cybersecurity is a viable career pathway for them in Cornwall and outside of it. So this is something that we're working on. We're also going to work with the teachers on ensuring that they're aware of the career progression. So that's something that we're really trying to do. Again, lots of schools have got things like code clubs, and they'll do things like Lego League, or they'll have code projects and things like that they'll work on. Again, not a great deal for cyber, so where we can support that with the schools, we're going to aim to do that as well. And then finally, so the Uplift program. So we talked a bit about engagement with schools, but obviously it's not all about schools, and it's not just people coming, from pre-16 education that are going to go in and potentially do the courses and have the education and do the training that they need to go and have these amazing careers. It's also people that are, mature adults that may be looking to retrain or upskill or, move into slightly different industries. So what we have done, so we find that across all of our courses, we have a distinct lack of females engaging in our courses. Our cohorts are predominantly male. We also have, so there's a real imbalance between sort of males to females in industry. Lots of the companies that we work with are telling us that they want to recruit more females into the industry, and that is something that they're absolutely pushing, but they don't have the applicants. So what we've done is partnered up with a local organisation, Tech Girls or Tech Women. They're a community project, and essentially they do a lot of outreach with schools and just women in general around careers in the tech industry. So what we've done is we've created a 10-week online program where women, it's totally free to join. It's majoritively online, where they train in 10 different areas of computing. So we've got software engineering in there. We've got things like database management, data systems, AI, but we've also got cybersecurity as one of the core topics that they cover as part of the program. So women are able to then do this course and see what it would be like to go and work in the industry, exposing them to careers that they perhaps would never have heard of before. So that's really, really successful, much more successful than we thought it was going to be. We thought we would perhaps maybe struggle to find participants in the first instance until we kind of got it running and got some PR behind us. Before we even advertised, we had 55 women signed up. We've got 32 that have actually started the course this time, and we've got a waiting list for another cohort in September. We've got lots of companies which are sponsoring the course, so they're providing workshops based on what their industry or what their company does. So for example, we've got a company in Plymouth, Row IT, which are coming in to deliver a programming workshop. We've got Software Cornwall delivering a behaviour driven development session with the women, and some other organisations as well that are supporting the programme and delivering workshops. And then they've got this pool of women who are looking for careers in tech, that are being trained up, at a distance, remotely, whenever, fitting in amongst other commitments. So that's working really, really well, and we're looking to run another cohort in September as well, just to further engage with the community and promote all of these fantastic careers that they're able to have.